Hi, Miss Articuna. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, ma'am. Good day. My name is Giselle Postejo Articona. I'm from Coronado City, South Cotabato. I am 31 years old. I am single.
Do you have kids?
I have two kids, ma'am. The oldest is 10 years old. She's a girl. And the youngest is 6 years old. He is a boy.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. And I am the youngest.
Okay, please tell me your educational background.
My educational background is high school graduate. I graduated at KSHS of the year 2012-2013.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I work at Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I work at Abdul Rahman bin Duhaim and Adij Al Musa. I work as a housemaid. I cook, I clean the house, I washing the car, I do gardening, I take care of newborn baby and 6 years old girl and 13 years old boy. I cook, I bake cookies, I bake cakes and do pastries.
Okay, since when did you work in Saudi Arabia?
I work at Saudi Arabia since May 4, 2023 until June 4, 2025.
Did you finish your contract?
I finished my contract, ma'am.
How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as a loyal, hardworking, good person, a loving mother.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
I don't have tattoo, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, I don't, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to give a better future for my 2 kids. I want to help my sick sister. I want to have my own house and I want to have my own business.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I don't scared of dog and cats, ma'am.
Okay, lastly, please give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
If I encounter a kid with a tantrum and naughty, I calm myself. I talk to them calmly. I want them to feel that I care for them. I want them to understand that I understand them. And I want them to feel that I am their friend and their family.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.